Thinking about transforming your kitchen or bathroom? At Builders Squad Limited, we make the renovation process simple, stress-free, and built around you. Here's how we work. It all begins with a free site survey. You can book online at buildersquad.co.uk/contact or call us directly on 0742 865 3653. We'll arrange an initial meeting to understand your requirements in detail and carry out a full site survey. Within just 24 hours, you'll receive a tailored estimate with 3 pricing options, giving you complete control over your budget and project scope. We're happy you can reserve your slot and secure your project start date with ease. Around 1 week before we begin, we carry out a final survey. At this stage, we'll confirm all the details with you, from which items you'd like to order to compatibility checks and precise measurements. You can supply your own products or we can provide them for you, often with exclusive discounts. On the first day, our team arrives between 8 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. We protect your home with dust sheets before carefully removing your old fixtures, tiles, or kitchen units, preparing the space for transformation. Most kitchen and bathroom renovations take around 2 weeks. Throughout the process, we keep you updated and ensure everything runs smoothly. Once complete, we arrange a final sign-off visit. Together, we'll inspect the work to ensure it meets both our quality standards and your expectations. Only when you're 100% satisfied do we raise the invoice. Why choose Builders Squad Limited? No upfront payments, full insurance and warranties, and trusted professionals registered with the British Institute of Kitchen, Bedroom, and Bathroom Installation. With Builders Squad Limited, your dream kitchen or bathroom is just a call away.